You know, we often think of the finance department as just the place where the books are kept, a necessary cost center. But what if it could be the strategic command center for your entire business? Today, we're going to explore exactly how to make that happen, turning accounting from a chore into your biggest competitive advantage. Let's jump right in.
And this idea right here, it's a really powerful way to reframe things. Your accounts department isn't just looking backward, processing old transactions. It holds all the data that can help predict your future. It's the one place that can protect you from risk and, at the same time, point you toward incredible new growth. So if we agree that finance is our strategic core, that immediately brings up a huge question for any leader, right? How do we actually plan for the future? How do we forecast with any real confidence when we have big, ambitious ideas? I mean, really think about it. You've got a game-changing idea, a major expansion, a completely new budget, maybe a strategic pivot. How do you actually model the financial impact of that idea without messing with your official, audited books of account? It's a huge challenge.
Okay, this is where it gets really smart. TallyPrime has this feature called scenario management. The best way to think of it is like a financial sandbox. It lets you build and test out entire financial futures using what they call provisional vouchers, which are basically temporary entries that never ever touch your real books. It's a totally risk-free lab for your biggest ideas.
And check this out. This is the power of that sandbox in action. On one side, you've got your actuals, your real, hard numbers. And right next to it, you've got a scenario modeling your proposed strategy. You get to see a potential future side by side with the present. It lets you compare outcomes and see the impact of your choices before you commit a single dollar.
Strategic planning is absolutely critical. But you know, true financial control also comes from mastering the day-to-day. So let's shift gears and look at how we can automate operations and give our team back their most valuable asset, time.
Bank reconciliation. We've all been there, right? It's the ultimate manual grind for any finance team. It's so time-consuming, it's tedious, and honestly, it's a minefield for human error. It can just burn away countless hours, month after month.
Now watch how TallyPrime just completely flips this on its head. It's a simple three-step process. You just upload your bank statement, the system automatically matches the vast majority of transactions in seconds, and your team is left to review only the handful of exceptions. The headache is just gone.
And the impact of this is just staggering. This isn't a small improvement we're talking about. We are talking about reducing the time spent on reconciliation by up to 90%. Just think about that. You're freeing up your smartest financial people from boring data entry and letting them focus on actual strategic work.
So we've used automation to win back all this valuable time. Now what do we do with it? Well, now we put it to work. Let's use our clean, accurate data to find out exactly what's driving profitability in the business. In any complex business, that top-line profit number, it kind of hides the real story. The insight that you can actually use comes from answering this question: where is our profit really coming from? Which specific project, or branch, or department is our true engine for growth?
This is exactly the problem that TallyPrime's Cost Centers feature is designed to solve. It's a super powerful tool that lets you assign revenue and expenses to specific parts of your business. You can slice and dice your P&L by project, by department, by sales region, whatever actually matters to you.
And the result is this kind of instant clarity. You can see right away in this example that Department Y is an absolute star performer, while maybe Branch X needs a little bit of attention. This isn't just data anymore. It's a strategic roadmap showing you exactly where to double down and where you need to investigate.
So when you bring these three things together, the strategic forecasting, the operational automation, and these deep profitability insights, you start to realize you're looking at something much, much bigger than just accounting software.
And this right here is the fundamental shift in thinking. TallyPrime isn't just a tool you use for compliance or for making entries. It becomes a complete platform designed to give you strategic financial control over your entire business.
So the final question I'll leave you with is this: is your financial data actually driving decisions, or is it just filling up reports? Because true control, that comes when your data is actively working for you, empowering smarter, faster decisions that will really shape the future of your company.